my dad made my younger sister watch the movie Taken before she went on a trip to Europe in college. Yeah, and that was kind of her birds and the bees talk from Dad. And like, I wasn't there when my dad watched Taken with my sister, but like, I like to think that he was providing commentary, you know? It's like, see, right there, where he kills all 10 of those guys with the pipe? I don't have the specific skills. If you get taken, no chance I'm gonna Mr. Magoo my way through an international criminal sex cartel. We'll miss you, honey. I would obviously send your 3 older brothers after you, but keep in mind that is a comedian, a rapper, and a podcaster. So most likely they will also end up as sex slaves.